So let's take a look at how does the large language model work. So first we have training data, and we need to do tokenization, and we need a model with a transformer structure. And the model use self-attention mechanism, and we need to training, and also we do fine tuning and for different tasks, and like text generation, translation, summarization, question answering, and more. And also we can do inference. So the train model generate a text, translate language, and do different type of tasks. So let's take a look at what is tokenization. So tokenization is a process of breaking down a piece of text into smaller units. For example, word tokenization, how are you? You can tokenize into hello, common, and how are you by words. You can also do subword tokenization. For example, unhappiness. And also character tokenization. And also face tokenization. So let's take a look at an example. If we have the text, and we can do word tokenization, and also subword tokenization, and also character tokenization, which you take each character, and you can also do face tokenization. So let's take a look at GPT tokenization, and they use the byte pair encoding, which is BPE, and then you need to quick some vocabulary and do tokenization. And this is under special tokens, like end of the test. So let's take a look at how BPE works. So you do some pair frequency calculation, and then merge pairs and repetition, and you get final vocabulary. For example, we have this low, lower, newest, and wider. So you build a vocabulary, which characters, and then you compute the frequency in the characters. And for example, ES is together, so you can put them together. And then you do some iteration, and you can get ES, and also ER, and lower and wider. So finally, you will get this vocabulary, ROW, ES, T. So let's take a look at how to do tokenization with GPT tokenizer. And the tokenizer also you need to train. So we can load the pre-trained tokenizer. So you load from the transformer library, which is GPT-2 model, and we input some text, and we tokenize this text, and after that we convert it to ID, which to integers. So this is the result. Hello transforms to an integer. We can see the tokens, which is how are you, and token ID. So let's take a look at the file and save it to the local folder. And it has merge, which is merge because it uses this G as a blank. It's merged together. So this is how merge together. And then we look at special token. You have the BOS token is begin of test and the end of test, US token, and also honor token, use honor token. So this is the tokenizer configuration, and whether we end the BOS token and also the length, maximum length. And this is the vocabulary. So for each character, you map it to integers. So finally, we input some text after tokenization, and we can get the integer, which can be processed further. Use the neural network model. So we can take a look at the hello, the dictionary. So it's here, you can see, it's 15496. And this is how tokenization works.